A caged bird's appeal. As I'm confined to a little cage, no one ascertains my songs off stage. When I can't spread my tethered wings, when I can't accept the intricate things, I soberly weep in my own cage. But you envisage it as a song, for people are always wrong. Singing songs for you for ages, performing on your private stages, I never cat off my wage. Here's my plea, let me be free to relishing the colors of roaring skies, to swinging on contorted branches of the trees, to flying across the waterfalls, to eschewing the human calls. Let me be free, at least for a day. I shall gleefully perform on world's stage, as I am always confined to this little cage.